Okay, so we've come to get timber for the floor framing. We're trying to create the correct sizes already here, so we don't have to do it back at our building site. So hopefully it's all good, and when we start building, everything's gonna be correct.
Very hot, not easy.
Hi there, my name is Mark, and there's a little spot behind my back, and this is a place where I'm gonna try to build a 50 square meter cabin for me and my family to hang out in and enjoy the Latvian summers. It's a very hot day today, and it's the first day of the cabin build. I'm gonna build a 50 square meter cabin from timber frame. I've never built anything in my life before, so this is gonna be funny. There's gonna be a lot of mistakes. There's gonna be a lot of imperfections, a lot of changes along the way. But the way I hope I'm gonna succeed is with some serious planning, which I'm usually really bad at. It's gonna be fun anyways. You know, you don't have to be a professional to do stuff. I think you just have to, I don't know, have the willingness, have the faith in yourself, and faith in that everything's going to be okay in the end. Of course, I'm consulting with some experts on the build, also consulting the AI, consulting YouTube, consulting a lot of weird and normal people and places to get the construction right, to get the building right and correct. So we'll see how it goes. Let's start with the full floor framing. So yeah, my mind works in a very weird way. Sometimes it doesn't calculate things that have to be done, but my mind says, that takes no time at all. This is what happened with these beams, with the, don't know how you call them, but the beams that go below the floor frame. Took me almost 5 hours to get them all anchored down with the bolts and everything. So yeah, now we gotta start. Only now we can start doing the deck, the floor frame. I guess it's called like that. So I would say the fun part begins now. The ugly work, that was the ugly work, ugly preparation work, and now we get to the beautiful part where we create the framing for the floor. So that's our ultimate goal of the day, to get the floor frame ready. So we'll see how that goes.
Okay, my real name is Gustavs, and I'm from Latvia, and I really like to play video games and drive bike. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, so yes, we're gonna start the framing, but I want to make a little experiment. Probably it's stupid, but I don't care. I'm gonna try to do it with these tools, screws and screwdriver, and I'm gonna do it. Screw machine.
Screw machine. screw machine. And I'm gonna do it with a nail.
And hammer.
Okay, why am I making these small floor frame modules instead of one solid piece, you ask? Well, it's a little screw up, so to say. At first I thought I will screw OSB sheets on top and flip the modules over, so I have OSB sheets on the bottom of the frame. But later I reconsidered the solution, but forgot to reconsider the floor frame. But I'll screw the modules together and we should be fine.
11 minutes and 2 seconds.
Pretty good.
Now we're gonna try with the good old nails.
Yeah.
A little cheating, but it's okay because those are nails and they can cheat a little bit. We're gonna put the frame above the previous one, so we won't have to measure anything. We will just line up with the previous one so that every frame is the same and we don't have to measure 2 times. Okay, this is gonna be fun.
Oh, this is gonna be hard.
This is gonna be fun. Like before.
I know, yeah.
Okay, just like that.
That's not good.
This is gonna be tough.
And this is gonna be very fun.
To be honest, I'm a little bit surprised. The time difference is not that big. Well, kind of is, but not that big. I thought it's gonna be bigger. So it was 11 minutes and a couple of seconds with the screwdriver, and it was 15 minutes 58 seconds with a hammer. But yeah, I mean, time is one thing, so 5 minutes I lose on each segment, so together still 6 modules left, so half an hour of extra work, extra nailing. And the second most important thing is it's way heavy on your arm. You have to do it quite a while, I think, to get your hand ready for that for that, I don't know, no pressure, I don't know the word, but it's not easy, but it's fun. Definitely, maybe probably once in a while I'm gonna spice up things and nail something, but yeah, mostly I'm gonna go with the screwdriver.
It's a wonderful feeling to see the empty space slowly turning into something real. Step by step, our family's little, well, maybe not so little cabin is starting to take shape. At first I thought this is going to be a solo build, but it's way much more fun to see and experience how family and friends are popping in and out, helping with smaller and bigger stuff along the way. And it's amazing to see the spark in my wife's eyes when she's helping me out. After all, this is for our family, so we are all invested, and that's the best part of this build.